Hey guys, welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, a special welcome. And this video will show you how to improve your sentence structure using QuillBot. First, open your browser and go to QuillBot.com. Then make sure you're logged into your account. And then you can scroll down and click on the grammar checker tool. Next, paste your text into the box and QuillBot will automatically scan it for grammar and sentence structure issues. So you're gonna see suggestions and recommendations on how to improve clarity, flow, and readability. And you can review each recommendation and choose whether to accept or ignore it. If you want to review a specific sentence, simply highlight the text, click Improve, and QuillBot will rewrite that part for you. This gives you different options so you can pick the version that sounds best and fits your writing style. And that's it for this video. I hope this helps you write clearer and better structured sentences. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.